Sound is a powerful sensory impression. And at MagnaFlow, that's what we do. We sell sound.
We're here at MagnaFlow Tech Center. And this is basically the facility that starts as all of our ideas and translates everything into real finished product.
DreamWorks reached out to MagnaFlow looking for a partner that could provide great sound in the movie.
We got a chance to play with every car in the movie. Whether it was the Koenigsegg, the Bugattis, the muscle cars, the Beast, even the GT500.
MagnaFlow is thrilled to be involved with the hero car, the Mustang. It's obviously the centerpiece. It does some of the coolest stunts. It's got an amazing sound. We will develop very specific mufflers and flow-through technology that uses all the engineering that we do here to make sure that the car sounds as evocative as possible.
It was critical for us to identify the right sound for the right car. That muscle car needs to sound like that traditional muscle car. If you got a Koenigsegg, it sounds tremendously different than that Siesto Elemento. Dyno testing is a method of validation of horsepower. We're in the business of making more of it, so we have to have a baseline to understand where we're starting and where we're finishing. The Hero Mustang, one of the key attributes of that car is the 5.8-liter supercharged 550 horsepower motor. We've got to accentuate that and, of course, create the right sound for it. So one of those critical elements was, of course, putting it on the dyno, putting a load on that car to really see what we can get for a sound. The Beast is a totally different animal. This is a diesel truck. It's a deep note, but it's a different kind of frequency. When I had a chance to actually sit down and see the finished work that was created, it was one of those experiences that kind of gave me some goosebumps.
The sound truly is a character in the film. The second your seat starts to vibrate and those muscle cars start racing, you know that you're in for quite a ride.